Ping-ping-ping na naman to, ping-ping-ping. Ayos talaga. Kumpleto Ricardo. Go.
May hiwalay na yung buto sa laman.
Oh, sobra na lambot yan.
Talo pa yata ano yan eh, no? Talo pa yung pressure cooker.
Yeah. Nakapal kasi yung kasirula na yan.
Mga 10 minutes. Preparing for Christmas.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
What is this?
We have already macaroni.
Adobo. Very good.
Yeah. What is this?
Rice, baby.
Rice, baby.
For sushi. Tomorrow para sushi.
Oh yeah?
Do you want to eat some?
Cookies, donuts.
Oh my god.
Everything.
Maybe we're getting
Tomorrow.
more fat.
Yeah. I saw already you have already this stabilizer.
Oh, it's here for a long time.
Ayos na.
Ganda na yung budol pahit natin.
Ha?
Budol pahit na.
Oo, maganda sana double.
Lagyan natin ang pulit ito.
Oo.
Kaya bili mo yan to?
Sa alam ko yan eh. Pangalawa ng GoPro na.
GoPro?
Una binili, maliit-liit yan, nasira. Bumili siya ng panagbago, iniwan na naman. Ano yun yan? Ano ko?
Ayaw.
Ginagamit niya sa paintball ba?
Ayaw lang. Oo.
Kalagay sa helmet niya.
Naglalaro sa pinball.
Oo na. Laro din tayo. Ako tira. Chan. Doon sa malapit sa bahay, meron din. Meron doon?
Mahal din eh.
Mahal.
Pero na.
Ura, oo.
Mahal din.
Pakuha ka na paintball. May gun pa.
Oh! Ayun din daw?
Ayaw.
Ayun din daw.
Chief cook and girls.
Nauna ako ni Kupal.
Andiyan na naman?
Ano yan? Mga alas 12 eh.
Hindi, sabihan mo mami. Sa kabila, gusto mo tumawag.
Meron ba ba?
Exclusive yun eh. Tomorrow training after break.
Oh, what time?
training sa
Then, 70.
What training?
Cyber security, live
Video.
live for the videos are not working, so we don't have that anymore. So we're safe.
So you
Should not be too long.
you have to discuss.
Well, are you running the PowerPoint?
No.
Just run the PowerPoint on the TV.
Not working.
Yes and no. Because the PowerPoint works with the videos. It just says discuss the video, but we don't have to do it. It's okay. I asked him the ships, I said, do you have them? Nope. Okay. All the fleet doesn't have it.
We will be the first ones to have it, right?
We don't have the video.
On the video as well, for them.
Send a message, but no answers.
Yeah.
Whatever. But we have cybersecurity and ESPS to do.
Yeah. We'll do it quick. How long will it be? Maybe 5, 10?
10 minutes?
Yeah.
30 or 10 minutes or
I don't know. Amy is gonna speak about the rescue boat. Yeah, rescue
Is that
boat.
safety maintenance? No. Why she's going to say for rescue boat?
That's another training they want to have. Rescue boat engine and the fueling. They want us to talk about it.
Strange.
Yes and no. I guess they're receiving bunker everywhere around the world, and people are acting like they're in Canada and checking everything, and then oh fuck, the engine is not working. Why? Oh, the fuel is no good. That's what they did in Turkey when they got the ship.
Yeah.
They didn't take any sampling. The sample came from the barge, but they didn't do drip sampling. So they got the sample, everything was fine. Yeah, that's your sample. And then they looked the purifier every 30 minutes. It was all dirty.
Oh. That's fun.
same the bunker in the Singapore.
Did we took sample here when we did the
Yeah,
bunker?
it's a sample. Drip
Sample in the manifold, right? Yeah, we should get that. Because you never know.
Sarap lang sa parap ng pamilya ito pa rin. Doon sa Espada.
Kaya dito sa Espada. Ngayon.
Ayan sila?
Ngayon.
Oh, wow.
Sino mga
Melchor?
kuklon?
Ha?
Sino mga kuklon?
Si Julie. Si
Julie?
Mike.
Mike?
Order naman nila ito nga sa Montreal.
Oh.
In-order nila. Pero hindi yan slice eh.
Ah?
Hindi pa in-slice.
Oh, sarap.
Darinig, tingnan mo natin.
Ang aga naman ang Christmas nila.
Eh, natakbo sila eh. Natakbo sila ngayon.
Ah.
Kaya,
Pinag-inagahan.
inagahan nila.
Ha?
Saan?
Oh, that's your
Saan
Christmas
ka
night
punta?
first.
Yeah. Wala yan bukas.
Saan ang biyahe nila?
Ayan.
Quebec.
Quebec, Montreal lang. Kala ko.
Hindi ka sila lumabas.
Hindi sila makalabas talaga.
Pag ginano ni Inday yung bukas, mas maganda yung ano nila.
That's good. They got what? This chicken.
Pakita natin kay Kapitan.
Lumpia Shanghai. Oh my God.
Wala tayong rapper dito. Wala. Gagawa sa atin, walang rapper.
Oh, ganda ka na may lumpia.
Buti sa kanila, doon na yung biyahe.
Doon na eh, magkabili pa sila, no?
Ang minuto nila dito, itong lumpia na lang.
Mag-ano tayo ng Merry Christmas din pala. Mag-print out ako mamaya. O bukas.
Sige.
Tapos kakatingin na lang.
Panalo?
Ha?
Toronto?
Ano Toronto? Oh,
Merry Christmas pa kanina.
No.
Maka-arrange mo dito. Maka-arrange mo.
Yung arrangement. Wala lang ganyan.
Hindi
Wala
na kasi.
Nanalo.
Wala
Sige,
din.
ano?
Tama.
Ito yung ginagaya ng...
Sa sinabi niya, sinong naman? Toronto daw.
Wala yan. One.
Di pa yata tapos. No? Wala pa, di pa tapos. Ilan lamang?
Si Titian.
Hindi ko nga pinapakyat dahil tingnan mo ako dahil wala kami TV. Mamanood ka ako. Ano matapos? Balitaan mo ko.
Video mo.
Binid yung hindi ko na mapaplay.
Ah, okay.
Di pa nakakyat. Kung may maalis pa naman mamaya. Aalis pa naman mamaya. Sila.
Patay.
Midnight. Sabi ko, huwag ka